Hi everybody, this is Latvian Day Trader. It's the May 9th, 2018, and today I'm up 50 bucks. In total I took 3 trades, 2 of which were winners. Quite good ones, I think. I reduced my size so it's more manageable. I will trade with this size, I think, for as I will gain more confidence, I will increase my share size, definitely. So yeah, the first trade which I took was FTFT. It was quite a good news catalyst on this one. It was gapping up. The pattern, the pre-market chart looks strong. So I'm currently waiting over the break of the pre-market high. That's 250. The 5 cent is my offset. And let's see how it plays out. So currently there's a 1.5 minutes. So here it is. The market opens. It actually dips down, but I gave it a time and it resoluted quite nicely. So 10 seconds. And it opens. As you can see, it drops. And now I want to see buyers coming through. But again, the time and sales and the level 2, I think there's a bit lag between them. So it's definitely harder to trade this way. You need to, the entries aren't that obvious, the volumes and the price changes. So yeah, as you see, it dipped down, and yeah, there's not much resolution, but here starts to come buyers through, and there I punched it at 240. I got filled at 240 as I seen the buyers coming through. Let's see that again. So take a look at this time and sales window. Yeah, here. As I saw it, I thought to myself, okay, that's a good. There's not much sellers. There's quite a bit of bidders in here. So yeah, I will punch it. So I did that, and instantly I'm up 15 cents. So that's good. I said I made a new hotkey to stop 10 cents below my average, so it could be more manageable. So as I speak, I'm 20 cents up. And as well, I made a hotkey to sell on the bid 75% of my share size, so I could take the profit and leave some little thing on the table. So that's working out good with me. So yeah, I punched the hotkey. As you see, the 75% of 500 shares is 375, and it got filled. A good one. It was $86 realized, and unrealized there's a 30 bucks. So as right now, I am currently thinking that this could resolute more. So I am adjusting my stop at break even. So that's like 20 cents down. That's a good place to move. So yeah, as you can see, the rest of the quantity is adjusted stop 240. I could obviously sell here and get that 30 bucks profit, but it could go a bit more and it could turn out to be like 60, 70 bucks profit. So it's low risk. That's basically none of the risk because I'm up $86 and if it will drop, it will just stop me out at break even. So, but it didn't hold the levels and it stopped me out. So yeah, it stopped me out. It's quite a big drop. Look at this. As I entered at 320, now it's at 220. So now I'm basically saying, okay, it's made, it gave me a good trade. So I try to look what's happening in the market. Okay, I think yeah, I did. I wanted to jump into this trade, but I was. I think I was a bit too slow. Let's see if I change the price in here. Oh yeah, I wanted to jump in on a whole dollar, but I missed it. I don't know why. It's just I think it's moving a bit too fast for me for right now. As you can see, volume is coming in 75. There's a big volume coming in. All the buyers. Now it's a bit selling off, but still. It doesn't go that good either way. Actually, this is the stock I wanted to jump in, but as the day moved on, it's just it's not the best for me. I think it's too volatile. But as you can see, it was there was some resolution to be in here. If I would go in at 310, then it probably would bring me some of the profits, like 5-6 cents. It's not much, but still the green is good. Okay, so this didn't hold the level as well. Yeah, I was trying to give it a chance to buy over these highs, but it never broke those. So in here I'm thinking, okay, this might be a small reversal if the next candle will break this, but it didn't again, so I didn't take the trade. Today I was a bit more relaxed, more concentrated. So the NCTY jumps on the scanners and it's halted. So I'm thinking, okay, if it resumes the halt, it dips down a bit, I will buy at 250. But again, it was just too fast. It's actually, yeah, in here. So it looks, as I pulled the chart up, it was already opened. It was below the 40, but the 40 was the bid price and the asks was 249. So yeah, you see there's a lot of sellers, but it ended up to in another halt. So there was the small opportunity what I was talking about. As it dropped below 50, I should press the buy button. I was actually looking at over 275 because I thought at the first moment it will open a bit higher, but it didn't. So again, yeah, there's a bit. I need a bit more experience in these types of stocks to trade them the best. So 275, I'm watching it, and there, I missed it already. My limit price 275, and it's already up 278. As you can see, the fantasy stock trader showing me 278, but in here clearly it's already been up and it's going down, so it's like a half second delay, I think, or a little bit less. So yeah, it ends up going into another halt. I think we'll try to buy. Uh, at this moment, I was thinking I shouldn't really buy on the third halt. You can buy on the first, you can buy on the second, but you really shouldn't buy into the third halt. But as I was thinking, I was a bit naive, and I thought, okay, it may be a good trade. So in here you see it jumped 250 to 324. That's 75-cent resolution, and 75 cents with 500 shares. It's after commissions. Oh my god, it's like $250. Yeah. Again, the speed. And as I see the stock being halted, I did that what I shouldn't do. I buy into the third halt. You see, first, second, third. I buy into the third halt, and it eventually opened lower. Yeah, I see it's being halted. I put in my buy order, and I ultimately put my sell order. Stop 10 cents below the average. So as it opens, yeah, as you can see, as it opened, I instantly got stopped out. You stop 315. Look what happens here. Boom, I'm out. 3, 220, 275, 255. It's the same as this candle went up, this got down. But I took another trade, so currently I'm up $8. But I wanted to take the third trade. I was confident that this, if it could break over this candle, should be some resolution in there. So I was watching it over like 324, I think. I see a big seller sitting at 320, and I didn't see the big buyers coming through. That means the seller has been brought up, but I still punched the buy order. So I got filled at 324. So basically I got filled this as is a bit faster than this, I think. So how can I be filled at 324 when there's still 320? So yeah, I really hope that they will look into this small lag that we have here. So yeah, punch the buy button, 324, and again, I think instant resolution. Well, not instant, but it was a substantial, like 12 cents. 12 cents, that's good for me. I put out my sell order. I put out my sell order, and I got back a little bigger green. So again, I adjusted my stop to break even, and it stopped me out. I was trying to hold and sell when I could delete this red thing and turn it back to green, but it didn't end up working for me. Yeah, it stops me out, but that's not a big deal. So I took 3 trades today. The time is like 59, so that's half an hour of work, so $50. There's a really big potential if we increase the size. If we increase the size by 2, it becomes $100. So if you can be profitable with a small quantity, you just need to do the same with the bigger quantity, the bigger size. So it's all scalable. You just need to manage your risk better. As I'm doing right now by making new hotkey to stop at 10 cents below average, to making new hotkey to sell on a bid with a 75% of my size. So maybe today I could sell on the ask in the strength, but I want to gain some confidence with just selling on a bid, be faster, be more agile with my hotkey usage. So yeah, and the rest of the day I just, oh yeah, it ended up squeezing up a bit. I wanted to get in at over half a dollar, but yeah, it did drop off. I wasn't done on this trade though. I was watching it, I thinking, okay, let's do not rush this thing. Let's give it a time. And I wanted to see the new 5 minute candle to break the previous 340 and make a move back to 350. That's just 10 cents, but that's good for me. And if it breaks 350, it may go up in a new highs, because look at the daily chart, it's beautiful. Yeah, but it didn't do that basically. I was ready. 345, as you can see. The next candle opens, and yeah, it drops down. At this time, I was okay. That's enough for me. Okay, so let's wrap it up for today. So yeah, I took the two trades. Yep. So yeah, I took the three trades. Two of them were winners. And it's a green day. It's a $51. I'm happy. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is a new trading day.